Okay, so now I'm going to switch over to my hover cam and a whiteboard so I can kind of explain what we're talking about. So the first problem today is to estimate the sum of 362 plus 159 by rounding. Now, if you remember back to our target, the word sum is the answer to an addition problem. So this is asking me to find the answer to 362 plus 159, but they want me to round. Instead of actually finding adding these, they want me to make these numbers a little easier to work with. So 362, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make my number line. Now, if you look down here, this little guy is asking me to estimate to the nearest 100. So I know that my closest hundreds to 362 is 300 and 400. I also know that my halfway point between 300 and 400 is 350. Now all I need to do is find where 362 goes on my number line. I want you to pause this video and see if you can figure it out, and then keep watching. Okay, if you paused, that's great. Hopefully you said 362 was about here. It's okay if it's a little higher, a little lower, as long as it's not down here. 362 is closer to 400 than it is to 300. So I'm going to say that 362 is about 400. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing with 159. I'm going to draw my number line. I am going to put my endpoints. I know that 159 is closest to 100 and 200. Go ahead and pause the video and figure out what the midpoint is and where my number will go. Good job. Hopefully you paused and said that this is 150, which means 159 would go about here, pretty close. So if I were to round to the closest 100, 159 is closest to 200. Now all I have to do is add 400 and 200. And that's easy. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 2, 4, 6. So if you said that 362 plus 159 is about 600, give yourself a pat on the back. Let's see what our little guy here had to say. Yeah, we got that exactly right. Nice job. Okay, my second problem is asking me, or the second part of my problem, is asking me to do the same problem, but I'm rounding to my nearest 10. So what I'm going to do, 362, I'm going to do my number line again, but this time I'm not going to say which hundreds it's closest to. I'm going to say which tens it's closest to. So I'm going to look right here in my tens place. I know my closest 10 at the bottom is 60. My closest 10 at the top is 70. Pause the video and find the midpoint and where 362 would go. While you were paused, I realized I made a mistake. This should say 360, and this should say 370. Oh my gosh. The midpoint is 365, which means 362 goes down here. 362. So if I were to round 362 to the nearest 10, I would round to 360. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing with 159. Draw my number line. At any point, if you feel like drawing the number lines before me, you are more than welcome to pause this video and do so. 159, I know my closest tens are 150 and 160. Go ahead and pause, find the midpoint, and where my 159 goes. Great job. I know that 155 is right in the middle, which means 159 is right up here, very close to 160. So if I were going to round 159 to the nearest 10, I would round it to 160. Now, this is a lot easier to work with. I know that 0 and 0 in my ones place gives me a 0. 6 and 6 in my tens places gives me 120. I have a 100, a 300, and another little 100, which gives me 500. Did you say that 362 plus 159 is about 520? If you did, you would be correct. Give yourself a pat on the back if that's what you said.